In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shine the jewelry in Photoshop. If your jewelry photos look a little flat or dull, this quick technique will help you add a clean, realistic sparkle without damaging the original image. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and loading the photo you want to enhance. In the Layers panel, create a brand new blank layer using the icon at the bottom. Working on a separate layer keeps everything non-destructive, so you can adjust or remove the effect anytime. With that new layer selected, go to the blending mode menu at the top of the layers panel where it currently says normal and change it to color dodge. Color dodge intensifies highlights and makes bright areas pop, which is exactly what we want for metal and gemstones. Next, open the layer style dialog for this layer, either by double clicking on the empty area of the layer or by choosing blending options. In the dialog, find the advanced blending area and disable transparency shapes layer. Turning this off allows your brush strokes to blend more naturally across transparent areas, giving you a smoother, more realistic shine. Click OK to confirm. Now select the brush tool from the left toolbar. In the options bar at the top, lower the flow to around 5%. Flow controls how quickly paint builds up as you brush. A low setting lets you build the shine gradually, which is key for a believable result. Choose a soft round brush and set your foreground color to white. White works beautifully with color dodge to brighten highlights without tinting them. Begin gently brushing over the jewelry, focusing on edges, facets, and existing reflections. Work slowly and build up the effect with multiple light passes instead of one heavy stroke. Resize your brush as you go so it matches the size of the details you're enhancing. Smaller for prongs and facets, larger for broad metal curves. If anything looks too intense, you can reduce the layer's opacity afterward or switch to a slightly lower flow and paint more subtly. Keep your strokes within the jewelry to avoid brightening the surrounding areas. If you stray, simply undo or erase the extra paint on this layer. When you're done, compare the before and after by toggling the visibility of the shine layer. You should see a crisp, polished sparkle that still feels natural. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.